We save lives through our skills. So basically, if we don't have the skills, we kill. Hey guys, welcome back to Laughs Out Loud. I'm Shan.
And I'm Shad.
And today we will be telling you a story.
Not just any story. We'll be telling you our story and how we became medical technologists.
We will be telling you before we became medical technologists what we wanted to do.
Maybe Shanice was a garbage lady. Who knows? So we'll basically be telling you a life story and how we are actually here today making YouTube videos about medical technology.
Right, and then afterwards, for those who are interested in the program, we will be telling you the prerequisites of how to get in the program, both at the University of Technology and the Northern Caribbean University.
So stay tuned, get your popcorn, get your ice cream, and let's have a chat.
Very interesting stories, guys.
Alright, who's going first? You. You always a team shine.
Whatever. We don't have no problem to lead. Alright. So for me, before medical technology, I wanted to do something. I know that I wanted to do something in the medical field. When I was a child, of course, I wanted to become a doctor. Mommy told me that I always say I wanted to become a medical doctor. But eventually, like, I wonder, is this really for me? Because I really prefer to be not around a lot of people. And I just feel like if I actually became a medical doctor, I would sit in front of the patients and cry. Because I feel people pain, like, yeah, like that. So
you feel my pain?
No. We don't get sorry for Shady. So yes. Yeah, so did CXC, of course, went to college, not sure of what I'm going to do in the medical field. After that time, I was like, oh my god, to my friend, what am I going to do? Like, time is running out, I need to choose something. Right, so she was like, Shanice, you know about medical technology? And I'm like, what? Medical technology? I've never heard about that profession before. And then I was like, what is it about? And she said that I'm not sure, but you can go and you Google it and whatever. So I went to the library that day and I typed in medical technology and I saw, of course, University of Technology and NCU came up, and I read about it and was like, oh, this is pretty interesting, right? And then when I heard about working in the lab and stuff, I found it fascinating and stuff like that. So same time I just say, alright, may I go University of Technology. And I started filling out the applications and so forth. And then 4 years later, graduated, and I must say I'm loving the profession, and I'm happy that I chose medical technology.
My time, guys. Want a second? Top up your popcorn, a juice. Want to go to the bathroom? Because my story is not so short.
Shade, you have to make it short.
Oh gosh, I'm already short. My stories don't need to be short.
Your stories have to make up for your eyes?
Yes.
Interesting.
Right. So guys, I went to Convent of Mercy Academy Alpha. When we were in about 4th form or 3rd form, we actually chose between science and business. I had a lot of run-ins with the hospitals. I was there for a good amount of time, for about 3-4 years. So I fell in love with doing x-rays, and I actually wanted to become a radiologist. So that was my career goal. So I did sciences in CXCs, and then I was in about lower 6. And I always like to be different from the crowd. So I remember there was this guy from church, my very close friend. he was older than me, and then he went and become a radiologist. He was studying it at UE. So I got disappointed because I did not want to choose a profession that was very common. I wanted to stand out from the crowd. I wanted to challenge myself. So I was like, okay, I can't do that anymore. Got one person already doing it. No, the church needs to be diverse. We can't just have one set of professions, and that was me. So then I was searching for my next career goal. I thought about being an orthopedic doctor because I fell in love with my orthopedic surgeon. But then
I cannot with this child.
I thought about it and I was like, alright, that's like my plan B. I still need a plan A. No, it has to be in the medical field, but not necessarily a doctor. Alright, so my godmother, Auntie Barbara, she actually was the one, because she works at the Cornwall, where she used to work at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay. So she was the one who actually told me about medical technology. And I was like, I love technology. I want to work in the medical field. You put them together, this is a perfect job. So I started researching it, and I was in lower 6 at the time. And I realized I already had all the qualifications. I did not need CAVE. So I'm like, look at that. Look, alright. Girl, sending applications same time. And then I was like, well, if I get through, bye-bye. No upper 6 for me. I didn't like 6 form.
She didn't like school.
I did not like 6 form.
She didn't like school work.
Guys, I'm a practical person. I wasn't meant to be behind desks learning. I was meant to be in the lab. Alright?
Just got in the lab.
I'm a skills person.
I understand you though.
Alright. I sent in an application and I got through. But I got through late though. So I was actually going to go back to upper 6 the August or September thereabout, and I got the response from UTech around like 2 weeks before school would have started. And I was so excited. I'm like, no, big girl, mega college. So that's how I ended up into the program. We had an interview that we have to go through. Have to be level-headed to be in this profession, because just you pipetting 5 microliters more than you should can give you an incorrect result, and then the doctor will then diagnose the patient based off your results. Medication can be very detrimental. If you are not supposed to get a medication and you get it, it can actually ruin your whole life cycle. So I guess they wanted to ensure that even though we were young, we actually could
were ready
be
for this.
Yeah. So then me and Shanice, we both chose University of Technology.
Anyways, we know that everything happened for a reason, and we wouldn't have met.
How did we met though?
That's for another story time. I'll tell you how she blew up my phone with messages.
Stop it, guys. So yeah, so we went to University of Technology. The experience, that's for another time. That's a whole nother video, guys. That's a whole nother video. But
oh my,
we just want to say to persons who haven't decided what they want to be yet in life, it's okay. It's 2020 and never be too late. Who knew coronavirus would have happened in 2020? A lot of persons had plans. You just have to readjust your plans and keep your mind on your goal. Always have short-term goal and long-term goals, because who knows if medical technology is our long-term goal. We could be YouTubers.
Anyways, and if you want to become a medical technology, if you notice, we learned about this profession at the exact time when we didn't know what to do. So I hope that this video meets somebody at that point. Know about medical technology. It's a very good profession in the lab, and when you do medical technology at school, you don't have to work in the lab. You're
No,
not
guys.
confined to the lab. There's
No.
a lot of other places you can work and stuff like
You
that.
can
So,
even go into cancer research, guys. It's a very
Right.
wide area. You can branch off. You can do a master's in each discipline, or you can do a master's in medical technology and still generalize. But you can actually choose to go and specialize in one of the many areas. Just like how a
Right.
doctor can be a medical doctor, you can be an orthopedic doctor, you can be a rheumatologist, you can be a hematologist, you can be a microbiologist, you can be a clinical chemist. Guys, I'm telling you,
it's a wide field.
it's a wide field, and we're here to diverse in that field for you. We're going to show you how wide it is.
Alright guys, so for those who would like to enter the medical technology program, whether at the University of Technology or the Northern Caribbean University, you need 5 C6 subjects, English and mathematics, of course. You need chemistry, biology, and you also need another subject. At the Northern Caribbean University, they specify by saying they would prefer you having physics as the other subject. The University of Technology did not specify. You do not need CAPE. Shade did not do CAPE. I did not know what I wanted to become at that point, so of course I went to doing CAPE.
I did only level 1.
Oh, you did level 1.
Yeah.
Okay. So yes, guys.
Guys, the sky's the limit. Do not limit yourself to be a career just because you see your friends doing it. Trust me, you will find friends in any field that you go to. Go for it. Our program, the medical technology program at both institutions, is accredited. What that means is that we can go overseas and work. We just need to take that exam in the respective country, and then we can apply for our license over there, because this is a licensed profession. So even though we're laughing and it's like, guys, serious work,
Serious, very hard work.
we save lives through our skills. So basically, if we don't have the skills, we kill.
What a way to put it. And if you realize, I don't know about that much about NCU, but at the University of Technology, where other persons can wear casual clothes, we have to be in uniform. For our labs, we have to be in uniform, and when we ask, they always say we are professionals and we have to act like one. So we are very important, and even though we have our fun side to it, trust me, there were days in school when we were very stressed out and the work was very tedious. So yeah,
Guys, thank you for listening to our story time. If you have any questions about medical technology, please leave them in the comments. Send us a DM on Instagram or Twitter at Labs Out Loud, or you can even email us. Our next educational video will be a Q&A where
Right.
we'll be hearing from you instead of us talking all the while. We'll actually be hearing what you guys want to know, whether about us, whether about medical technology. Know that we are actually working medical technologies, or when we were in school, the interview questions, anything you guys would like to know.
the money, the pay, all of that.
Anything. We actually had to do a 6-month internship after, in order for us to graduate. So guys, just let us shoot your questions at us. You don't have to be a medical technologist to ask us about medical technology.
Right.
So bye guys.
Bye. One more video out. Please remember to like,
Comment.
share, and subscribe.
Where are you going? You click subscribe? Oh,
Click
alright.
it, click it.
Alright, go on, miss. Go on, sir. Toot toot.